Oo, sinabi ko sa musical director ko, pahinga ka muna. I'm very happy to be back here in LA. When was the last time I was here? 3 years ago. There you go. Kasi alam niyo po, sorry, I'm turning my back. After po kasi akong nanganak, yung memory ko po na wala na rin. Hindi talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ganun ba talaga pag nanganganak. Yung parang memory mo na gumagano, no? Kasama nito. Oo. Meron. Sinabi niya magpahinga din daw muna ako. Meron. Bakit ganun? Yung memory ang nawawala, pero ito hindi. Ano nangyari dito? Grabe siya. Isa pa lang lumalabas dyan, ah. My God! Paano nalakot tatlo na? It doesn't matter. It matters to me. I wanna look good on clothes. Meron ka na bang nakikita dyan? Kaya mo naman. Like I said, it's really different now. So I don't care. I don't really care. Pero malamig yung puwit ko. Malamig pala yung sabi. Hindi heated. Okay, so like I was saying earlier, I am so happy to be here tonight. This is our last show, by the way. Of course, we saved the best for last. No, and I'm really excited for this show because I haven't been here for 3 years, and I also cannot wait to finish because I want to go home. I miss my husband and I miss my little boo-boo bear. Last night, and George, last night I was talking to them and Nate was already crying. You know, he was already not feeling very good because I've been gone for, this is the longest I've been away from him. Usually mga overnight lang or sa gabi lang. This is the longest talaga. So, anyway, still, thank you so much for being here tonight. I really, really appreciate all of you being here. And gusto ko lang sabihin na yon in case makalimutan ko mamaya. Maraming salamat po. Alam ko namang na-appreciate ko na every time nyo ako nakikita, parang 10 taon tayo hindi nagkikita, 3 years pa lang naman. But really, it's always so wonderful to perform with you guys because you're such a wonderful audience. You're so warm and mamaya bigyan natin tayo. Anyway, may mga ano ba tayo? May mga... Oh, bakit? Ano daw bang problema niya? I'm still a señorita. Thank you. Oh, I'm glad you guys are watching. Okay, so, meron ba tayong mga foreigner? Well, actually, tayo yung foreigner dito. So, tayo, may mga ano ba? May mga... Oh, there you go. Do you speak Tagalog by any chance? Bisaya? O, so good luck na lang sa'yo. Ikaw mag-translate, ha? Yeah, I will try. Well, these 2 songs that I'm about to sing are both written by one of the greats, musician, songwriter, composer in our country, Mr. Ryan Kayapia. And it's both, you know, love songs. And the first one is about day and night. Yeah. Good luck. May problema ako. Nakaka-relate ko to. Ay, may ganda pa pala rin. Basta ka like, hey, kano ka ba? Dapat binibig mo ko to. Okay na ako, sige Mike. How's it? For the first time, lalaki. Well, I'm not sure. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin, wala daw akong ang lalaki kung bakla to. Oo nga, may nagsabi, uy, yeah! Sabagay, yung asawa ko, fan ko yun. But then again, you know, my husband is so sensitive. Isang tumbling na lang, babae na yun eh. Kailangan ko naman itong mga to yun. Anyway, this next two songs that I'm about to sing, they're beautiful songs I've recorded in the past. And, the first song, I think I recorded this way back in 2004, something like that. And I haven't stopped singing it. And, you know, whenever I come here, I always sing it. But, minsan iniisip ko kung kakantahin ko pa ba o wag na lang. Kaya lang kasi baka ma-miss niyo. Ay, na-miss ko yung gano'n. Tapos ito-tweet niyo, ay, hindi niya kanantay. So might as well sing it. I love singing it anyways. And the other song naman, I revived. It was originally sung by... Ay, hindi na sasabihin kung sino nag-originate kasi... Nagkumanta originally kasi giveaway eh. Anyway. Well, by the way, I just want to ask, are you okay with like Tagalog songs? Because you know, I figured I don't come here often. You know, I'm not from here, so bihira tayo magkita. Baka type niyo mga Tagalog songs na lang. Pero mamaya may Chinese, may Mandarin, yes, and some Japanese, I think, yeah, with a little English. Anyway, this song is dedicated to everyone, and if you know some of the lyrics, maybe you can sing along. Yeah? Dancing. Maiba naman. Sasayaw ko. Alam nyo, nagtataka lang ako. Bakit tuwing sinasabi ko na magsasayaw ako, tawag-tawa yung mga tao sa pagsayaw ko? I am actually the greatest dancer ever. You know, I'm just not showing it because I'll be perfect now. Anyway, you know, I've been in the business for 30 years now. I'm actually celebrating my 30th year in the business. Parang kailan lang kasama ko pa si Ma'am Jenny. Namiss ko tuloy yung tatay ko. Anyway, it was so weird that I'm celebrating my 30th year in the business. And I've done so many things already, at least as far as my career is concerned. Kasi nung bata ako, all I wanted was just to sing, to record an album, and I'd be happy with it already. But I was also given a chance to do movies and be a host, and do other things na hindi ko naman po talaga pinlano gawin, except biniyagan nila ako eh. Wala naman akong boyfriend naman, hindi pa rin ako nakakahalik ng boy, sabi ko pwede na. So, pinaghahalik ako si Anamula, Ariel Padilla, sino ba ba? Si Rachel, kasama naman si Ariel, parang yung ex ko na. So, asawa ko, nakasali din. Pwede na rin. I mean, you know, you get paid doing that. No, but really, I realized that I also love doing acting. Except, I still have a hard time doing it because it's really not my comfort zone. It's talagang sa pagkanta ko talaga yung aking puso. And tonight, I'd like to sing some of the songs that became theme songs of, I think, three of my movies. And I hope you still remember them. If you hear those songs, those beautiful songs. Two of them were written by my husband. Oo, hindi pa kami mag-asawa ng friends, but Ha? Alam mo, oo. Friend lang. Friend. Friend mo mukha mo. Gusto ko naman. Na-miss ko naman. Laki ng baso ko, no? Parang malaki pa to sa asawa ko. Hello, hi? Ayaw mo ano pinag-iisip niyo, mabastos niyo. Pero parang mga ganyan. Grabe no, grabe sila. Grabe kayo. Grabe sila, mother. Anyway, now, I haven't been singing this song just because wala lang. Pinahinga ko muna siya sandali, but I thought you might like it. So this is from you. Thank you so much. Bakit ba ako ubo ng ubo dito? Kaya ko to, Mike. Alam mo sa akin, 46 years old? Nakakaluha. Okay ba? May naiintindihan ba kayo? Wala rin ako. Okay. So, nakakapanood pa kayo ng Poor Señorita? You know, when I come home, diretso po ako mag-taping kasi ganun po ako ka-addict eh. No, but I really am enjoying myself doing this show because I really like the plot, the story, the character. Si Rita, gusto ko yung character niya na parang kontrabida siyang hindi, pero good heart naman, may good heart naman pala siya. So, sa mga nakakapanood, ano naman nangyari kay Rita? Ay, natulog? Ano, natulog? Ano ko si Sleeping Beauty? Ano? Ano? Katulong! Oo. It's so funny kasi si Marilyn Reyes, her character was supposedly, she used to be a maid. And then nakapangasawa siya ng mayamang French. Ako naman, dati akong mayaman, naging katulong ako. Pero meron pa kasi akong meron pa amnesia ang tinatawag. Ewan ko ba itong mga amnesia na bumabagok ka lang? Amnesia agad? Hindi niyo ba napansin yun sa mga soap? Babagok lang, amnesia! Pwede ba kung nagkabukol lang? Diba? Amnesia! Tapos ibagok mo ulit, may isip na ulit. Ano ba yun? Pinaglululong tayo nito mga soulmate mo. Diba? Ganon. Amnesia! Bonggang-bongga agad. Tapos ibagok, ingud-gud mo lang. Naalala mo na. Grabe siya! Grabe. Anyway, I'd like to sing the theme song of my new soap entitled Poor Señorita. And thank you guys for watching it. And I hope you keep watching kasi marami pang adventure si Rita. This is for all of you guys. Kayo po ba, gano'n na po kayo, hindi naman isa-isa para hindi tayo matatapos sa mundo. Sino yung mga matatagal na nandito sa LA, dito sa Amerika? Mga anong years? 20 years? 9 years? 2 months? Last week? 32 years? You guys? Talaga? De 35 lang kayo. So, 32 years, that's such a long time already. Have you gone back home? You have? You have. Wow, 32 years. Meron bang 40? Going? 45? 45 years? 44? 16 years. Wow, ang tatagal niyo na pala dito. But, hindi niyo ba nami-miss? Nami-miss, no? I mean, you know what? I really love to travel, and I thank God that I'm given this opportunity to be able to sing for our kababayan all over the world. But whenever I travel po, pagka mga nakaka 2 weeks na, medyo na aagising na po ako kasi nami-miss ko po talaga ang Pilipinas. Talagang pag umuwi na ako, talagang uwi na ako. Hindi ko ma-imagine kayo na nandito na for 40 years, 44, 45, 2 months. Malay ko ba? Di ba? No, but really, seriously, I know that you've already established a life here, but I know deep down inside, you miss being home, right? Because there's no place like the Philippines. Yeah, tayo lang po ang nagse-celebrate ng Christmas September pa lang. Yes. Ha? Basta tumungtong number. Jingle bells, may mga Christmas carol na eh. No, but it's wonderful. And tayo lang din po yung mga anak natin, 40 years old, na nasa bahay pa rin natin. Diba? No, because we're very family-oriented. We love sticking together. And tonight I'd like to sing this very special song dedicated to each and every one of you who's one time or the other missing home. Nakaka-uwi. Naiyak tuloy ako. Anyway, matanggal yung false lashes ko. Kanina pa ako nagpapapalahaw dito. Ang laki na ba ng bibig ko? Iniingatan ko kasi baka mabigtas yung mga tahi. Yun na. Okay.
I don't wanna miss a thing!
Tagalog nga. And I don't wanna miss a thing! Napigtas na yung mga tahi. Pero pinanap ko ng bonggang-bongga. Okay na yun? Anyway, you know, I met a guy here. He's actually an American guy, no Filipino blood whatsoever. And he speaks fluent Tagalog. Ang cute na dinadrive niya po kami around. Siya po yung nagdala sa amin din dito. His name is David. Natutuwa po ako pag nakakamit po ako ng mga hindi talaga Pilipino pero nakakapagsalita ng wika natin. And sabi niya sa akin, kinukwento niya, alam mo, ganito Tagalog talaga. Tsaka walang masyadong accent, sabi niya. Nakakalungkot naman kung Pilipino ka at hindi mo alam yung wika mo. Kasi paano mo maiintindihan yung mga kinakanta ko raw? Ang cute, but you know, it's so true. There's nothing wrong with, you know, speaking another language or English or whatever, but para po sa mga magulang na nandirito tonight, sana po ipakilala nyo rin ang wikang Pilipino sa ating mga anak. For me, as a parent, I think it's very important that our kids know where they come from. Kung ano po ang pinanggalingan nila, ang ating heritage, ang ating culture. Music is a big part of our culture. Hindi ba kayo proud? Meron tayong mga Lea Salonga, meron tayong kung sino-sino pa na sa X Factor. Puro Pinoy po ang kumakanta. Galing po yun sa heritage natin. Yung sama na rin ako. No, but it's true. I'm excited because we have a new president, and I hope that, although I did not vote for him, but I am supporting him. You know, we have to support him. Hindi po natin mararamdaman ng change na tinatawag natin kung hindi po mag-uumpisa sa sarili natin, hindi ba? And I'm also hoping that he can also mabigyan niya ng pagtuunan ng pansin ang kulturang Pilipino. Kasama po yung arts natin at ang musika po natin. Sa ngayon po sa Pilipinas po, yung mga kabataan, hindi na po nila alam kung ano ang OPM. And it's so sad. I hope that yung mga parents po natin tonight, I'm encouraging you to introduce us, OPM songs, to your kids because we have beautiful songs. And nobody in the world can write these songs like we do because this is our music. Tonight, I'd like to pay tribute. I would like to pay tribute to the music of George Canseco. Nagalit ako, hindi ko hampas din. Mabigat pala. Bubuhatin ko sana, lalagay ko. Mabigat. Metal eh. Anyway,